Hello sir. Open your code, select all and copy. Now open this tool. I sent link already. Now paste your code in the first section here. Okay. Now click on make slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that. Title, photo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and then description. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So start from title. Simply copy your product title, copy and paste. Now for image, click to enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address. Copy and paste. Same for other images. Right click, copy image address and paste. Now when all images are done, like if you have one image, two images or four images or seven images, so uncheck the all empty images. Like you have not filled this box, so uncheck them. Now for description, simply copy your all description text like this one. So I will copy, now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. Now paste your text here. Now click on HTML. When you click here, this code is ready for description in as HTML. So first of all, if you see any like this colors like blue and red, then click on clean. So now this color is okay, this code is okay. So simply copy this code again. This is your description code. Copy and paste in description section. Now click on make code. When everything is done like title, images and description, simply click on make code. This code is ready for eBay. So simply select all, copy and paste in eBay description section. But if you want to test it how it's look like that, so simply click on preview. When you click here, your preview is ready. As you can see, the title is a description, images as you can see, and the other details. Now why we uncheck this box? So if I don't uncheck like this one, if I type in images, so I will click again make code and again click on preview. So as you can see, all boxes are showing, but these four are empty, so it's not look good. So I think uncheck the empty box and then click on make code and copy and paste in eBay. I hope you understand. Thanks.